Chicago, nigga.
That rap on that bitch. That bitch is fire. Bro, y'all need to stop going to car meets and shit when your girl tell you not to, bro. Look at this shit. What the fuck? How much footage? Yeah, you be in the videos, bro. Yes, bro. Y'all be the star highlights of the video.
Yeah, get me in that move. Yeah.
Come on, y'all. Make sure you get my chain. Make sure you get my earrings, man.
All right, we got you, gang.
We are married down. we got Mclaren. We got Mclaren.
Yeah, but matter of fact, you gotta get out. You know what I'm saying? You gotta get out. Yeah, you gotta show us, bro. The camera can't see, bro. Damn!
Okay.
And the bottle's part of the fit too.
Let me show you, we got the bottle on my. Come on, man. What a Tay at?
Come on, motherfucking phone at.
Bro, stop playing. He got.
Oh shit, he broke him out of the cut. He got my purple mouth.
Stop playing. Amiri, stop playing. He coming correct. Stop playing. Hype him up now.
G, stop fucking playing.
You gonna have to open that bitch.
So I'm trying to get in the car. I'm trying to get in the car. We gotta do a donut or something.
My motherfucking sweater hanging up and down.
Damn, boy, you in her fucking lap like a baby. Look at that shit. That's the special treatment.
I'm tough, gang.
Man, I'm jealous, bro. I'm jealous.
Get in with me. You on top of the car?
Nah, bro, I'm scared. I don't want to get kidnapped. Y'all be safe. Recreation of it with the white boys. You hear me? Look at this shit. He said something.
Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces past and I'm homebound.
Excuse me, can I interview real quick? Yo, I just gotta ask a question. Yo, I just want to interview real quick. Security lit as fuck. Look at it, and he got the bun in his mouth. Hell nah. That boy Tweak. What up, gang? How you been?
I'm alive, that's all that matters.
We got everybody pulling up now. We at the beach with it. Look, they as drunk as hell in that bitch though, bro. Look, and in that car too, they drunk as fuck, I promise you.
Oh my god, that look good on
That bitch clean as hell. Hey, you got State Farm or what kind of insurance this bitch got? Fuck. Oh, okay, he back in action. They ass tripping, but let them do them shit. It got nothing to do with me. Damn, bro ran into the sign.
That's crazy.
Fuck. Nah, real though.
Yeah, just
what
roll
the
over.
fuck is you doing with this, bro?
Everybody use it to get this bitch up.
For real. This bitch too low for the small drag.
Why don't you put it right there?
Huh?
Why don't you put it right there?